Missouri provides judgment creditors with productive enforcement tools, including a modest homestead exemption and no tenancy by the entirety protection. Here is the complete guide. Judgment interest rate. Missouri judgments accrue interest at 9% per year. A solid rate. Judgment duration. Missouri judgments are valid for 10 years and can be renewed before expiration for additional periods. Recording the judgment line. In Missouri, a judgment becomes a lien on real property in a county when it is filed in the office of the circuit court clerk in that county. Wage garnishment. Missouri follows the Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act formula. 25% of disposable earnings or the excess above 30 times the federal minimum wage, with a 90-day support exemption of up to $600 per month for support necessary wages that must be claimed by the debtor. Homestead exemption. Missouri's homestead exemption is $15,000 per debtor, a modest protection that leaves real estate with equity above this threshold accessible to creditors. No tenancy by the entirety. Missouri does not recognize tenancy by the entirety. Jointly held real property is not protected from individual creditors based on the marital relationship. The debtor's interest in joint property is accessible. Bank levy. Missouri allows execution against bank accounts through a writ of execution. The absence of tenancy by the entirety protection makes joint bank accounts potentially accessible for the debtor's share. Debtor examination. Missouri allows post-judgment examination of the debtor through supplementary proceedings in aid of execution. Missouri's modest homestead, federal standard wage garnishment, and no tenancy by the entirety make it a productive enforcement state. Kansas City and St. Louis metro areas concentrate large employers for wage garnishment. People Locator. Skip tracing provides Missouri debtor investigation, employer, banking, and real estate. Visit peoplelocatorsskiptracing.com to place your order.